at Walker Chevrolet in the shadow of the Interstate Bridge just off the Nitro Act.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Braxton County in north-central West Virginia, southeastern Roane County in central West Virginia, central Clay County in north-central West Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Walback, or near Clay, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clay, Walback, Emma, Big Otter, Harrison, Left Hand, Strange Creek, Ivadale, and Procius.
Complete your job with Top Pro paints,